Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have B&O Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename your device in your Android phone. So, at first we have to scroll down to a control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now, as you can see, in pair devices we have our Beoplay H7. We have to go into the settings of this device by clicking this gear icon over here. Now we have to click rename, that is in the bottom left corner. Now we can rename our headphones as you want to. You can use Galaxy AI to do it if you want to. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.